Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I want to present our paper in UNICET, UNICU International Conference on Social Science, Environment, and Technology. Okay, give me time for share screen our PowerPoint. Okay, this paper titled Neuroscience Study, Analysis of Mathematical Creative Thinking Ability Level in Terms of Gender Differences in Vocational High School Students. This paper written by Nuranita Adiastuti, Sumarni, Muhammad Riyadi, and Amalia Tun. We are from Universitas Kuningan. The first is background of this research. Creative thinking in learning mathematics is needed to solve complex and various problems. The development of creative thinking skills has now become one of the focus of learning, including learning mathematics. Mathematical creative thinking skills and perception that build student thinking toward mathematics learning, namely to measure it, can be viewed from gender factor and student mathematical creative thinking disposition. Students who have high mathematical creative thinking disposition will form individuals who are thought, resilient, responsible, have high achievement motives, and help students achieve their best result. Based on the background of this research, the purpose of this research is to determine mathematical creative thinking abilities level in the high mathematical creative thinking disposition category for each gender difference. Method of this research. This research is qualitative research. The type of qualitative research is qualitative descriptive, which is describes mathematical creative thinking abilities levels in terms of gender differences in vocational high school students. Subject of this research consists of 2 male students and 2 female students who had creative abilities, and the highest test scores were in the high mathematical creative thinking disposition category. The source of the data in the research. Data obtained of the classification disposition of mathematical creative thinking categories, student perception of learning mathematics, learning questionnaires, creative thinking abilities test question, and valid and reliable interviews. Data analysis in this research was performed with the stage of data collection, data reduction, data display, and drawing conclusion. The result of this research. The result of this research is male and female students in the high mathematical creative thinking disposition category have creative abilities which fulfilling the aspect of flexibility, fluency, and elaboration. Male and female students in the high mathematical creative thinking based on aspect of creative thinking ability. There are 4 aspects of creative thinking ability. The first aspect is flexibility. Flexibility aspect have an average score with very good criteria. The second aspect is fluency. Fluency aspect have an average score with very good criteria. The third aspect is elaboration. Meanwhile, there are differences in the aspect of elaboration where the average score of female student is 3.9 and female student is 3.4. Female students are better at elaboration aspect. Male students also fulfill the elaboration aspect where both are included in the very good criteria. The fourth aspect is originality. Male and female students do not fulfill the originality aspect. Okay, from the result of this research, we can conclude that both male and female students do not fulfill in the originality aspect on creative thinking ability. Okay, based on the result of this study, are male and female students in the high mathematical creative thinking disposition category, the creative thinking ability in the originality aspect is still not fulfilled by male and female students. So, we are give 4 suggestions for this problem. The first suggestion is they can increase the number of exercises that have aspect of originality. The second suggestion is teachers should pay more attention to be the characteristic of student to adjust teaching method to be able to improve student abilities in aspect of originality. The third suggestion is teacher can initial mathematical creative thinking disposition in mathematics learning, especially in male students, because they are less than female students in the high category. The fourth suggestion is the teacher needs to get used to giving questions with non-routine types so that students can hone their mathematical creative thinking skills. Next is implication of this research. There are 3 implications of this research. The first is creative thinking abilities can be achieved by having a high mathematical creative thinking disposition. Second implication is, therefore, the teacher must be able to initial a high mathematical creative thinking disposition in mathematics learning. The third implication is the high mathematical creative thinking disposition makes students flexible, fluent, and true in solving mathematical problems. Okay, thank you for your attention. I think enough. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.